So today I'm going to show you how to install an outlet that has USB ports in it. These are very easy to switch out. Make sure that you get a 15 amp outlet because your bedroom and areas, living room areas are going to be on a 15 amp power source. So I've got the 15 amp here, and when I open the box, you can see that we've got our, this is where our white wire is going to go in. You can see that the screw is a little bit silver, so we know that it's white. We've got our gold screw, and that's where our black wire is going to go in. That's the hot. On the bottom is the green, and that's our ground wire, or our bare copper wire. So it's going to be really easy to switch out with this outlet right here. You can see I've just got it wired. So we've got the ground, we've got the white wire, and the black wire. So I'm just going to switch them out. One thing, I've already done one of these, I want to point out is that these brackets right here are really difficult to thread when you have a hook already in your wire that you're going to hook up here. So you see how I've got it hooked around there. So it's kind of difficult. So you can see the bracket's hooked right on the right side right there. So you have to loop it through and around. I didn't do so hot looping it all the way around, but it's not going to be a problem after you clamp it. So I will show you how it turns out after I do all the handiwork right there. Now I just thought of another scenario that could possibly happen. If you are replacing this outlet in your house and you open up your outlet and you've got two wires on each side, that could be a problem when you're wiring up this USB outlet, right? It doesn't have two screws on each side. So what you do is you unhook both of these wires. Will be white and white, black and black, right? And then you get one of these push-in nuts right here. So what I've done is I've got the two wires that would have been hooked in to this outlet are these two right here. I just plugged them in right in here. Just any of those ports, you can just plug them in. And then I got an extra white wire that is also plugged into this nut, and it comes around and it comes into this outlet right here. So that is how you make sure all of them are still connected, still running power to this outlet, and the wires continue on around the circuit around your room. So I'm going to do this last ground wire right here, and that green one, that green screw. So now that we've got all the wires in, now I'm just gonna take this screw, screw it into the outlet box there, and one down here, and then we will put the faceplate on. So now that we've got that screwed in, we've got to put this faceplate on, right? So just on the back of it, we're going to, what side is it? This side. We're going to put a screwdriver in there and get this little bracket off, and then we're going to screw, you can see the screw right there. I'm going to screw the bracket right into that little hole right there, and then it'll pop right on. So this bracket is set so it's going to hold tight to the wall. So if you can see right there, up here, I've got that pretty flush to the wall. You can see, so it's screwed in good enough, but down here it's not. So I'm just going to show you while I screw it. You can kind of see how tight that needs to go in. There we go. Perfect. Now we are going to snap the faceplate on. It's just going to go on. And set it there. There it is. That's our outlet. Now we can go turn the power back on.
Let's check it out, honey.
Let's check it out. This is the Legrand Radiant outlet with USB ports. If you want to try and install one just like this or similar in your house, I've got a link in the description where you can just add it to your Amazon cart. Thanks for watching.